Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Tech Steps, your go-to channel for quick and simple tech tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the default folder that opens when you launch File Explorer on Windows 11. The first step is to open the File Explorer options. Once it's open, go to the top menu, click on the three dots in the toolbar, and select Options from the drop-down menu. In the Folder Options window, make sure you're in the General tab. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Open File Explorer 2. By default, it's set to Home. Click on the drop-down and select This PC instead. Once you've made the change, click OK to save your settings. Now let's test if the change worked. Close File Explorer and reopen it. You should see that it now opens directly to this PC instead of the home view. It's that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Easy Tech Steps for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.